Hello everybody, welcome back. Today we'll be finishing off 4.4, looking at example 4, applying rational exponents. I'll read the question. It says biologists use the formula B equals 0.01 m raised to the power of 2/3 to estimate the brain mass, B, in kilograms, of a mammal with a body mass, m, in kilograms. Estimate the brain mass of each animal. So if we have a husky dog with a body mass of 27 kilograms, what we'll do is we'll enter the 27 in for M, and we will calculate the mass of the husky. Okay. So I'm going to rewrite my formula. Always rewrite the formula. Okay. And it says there's a mass there, so we'll plug the mass in. It's going to equal bracket 27. There's your bracket. We'll try this with a calculator because now we know how to take a fractional exponent and change it into a radical. So we get 0.01, and then 27, as you know, can be written as a radical. Okay, it can be written as a radical of the form. So remember, the denominator is going to be your index, and then we'll take the 27, and then what we'll do is we will then square the whole thing. So that was one way of rewriting fractional exponent. You take the cube root of the number and then you square it. So you take it to the power of whatever the numerator is, okay, which is equal to 0.01. If we take the cube root, so we'll do that right now. Take the cube root. All right. So take the cube root of 27. That would be 3. And we're going to square the 3, obviously. All right. So that's going to equal 0.01 multiplied by 9, which is equal to 0.09. And we can put the units in at the end, kilograms. So estimate the brain mass of each animal. So we can say the brain mass of the husky is 0.09 kilograms. That's it. Do the polar bear next. So I'm going to steal this again just because it's going to be the same thing. Only this time we're putting in the 200. Okay, so we'll put the 200 in. This one here it wasn't like the last example. It's not going to give you a nice number, so I recommend just plugging this in the calculator. So what I'll do is I'll get my calculator up and then show you how to plug this in a calculator as well, so you can see it both ways, using your mental math strategies that we've learned all along, and then literally just plugging this in a calculator too. So it's good to see both. All right. So here it is. So we have 0.01. We're going to open up our bracket. We'll put the 200 in. We'll close the bracket. We'll raise that to the power of. If you're putting a fraction in, you're going to open up the bracket again. 2/3, close your bracket. And then you will hit enter, and it gives you 0.34199. Okay? So 0.341995189, and so on. And if it doesn't say rounded, I usually go to, we'll do 2 significant digits at least here, so it'll be 0.34 kilograms. Okay. And again, if it asks to just put this in terms of your answer in terms of grams, you would just move it to the decimal 3 places to the right or multiply by 1,000. It could ask you that as well. Okay. There's some check your understanding questions that go with the chapter as well. They're the answers. And then some homework questions for you on page 227, number 3 through 7, 10 through 15, and 18 through 21. Okay? And that'll be it for section 4.4 fractional exponents and radicals. In the next video, we'll pick it up at negative exponents and the reciprocals for 4.5. Thank you very much, and we'll see you again soon.